Tinnitus can be an incredibly frustrating and debilitating condition, characterized by a constant ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. But there is hope. In this video, we will explore various natural remedies that have been tried and tested for tinnitus relief. Get ready to discover some effective options to alleviate the discomfort and regain your peace of mind. There are several herbal remedies that have shown promise in providing relief from tinnitus symptoms. From Ginkgo Biloba to turmeric, we will explore the benefits of these herbs and how they can potentially reduce the intensity and frequency of the ringing or buzzing in your ears. Sound therapy is a widely recognized approach to tinnitus relief. Whether it's white noise machines, nature sounds, or even specialized music, we will delve into the effectiveness of these soothing sounds in masking the tinnitus noise and providing much-needed relief. Sometimes, simple lifestyle changes can make a significant difference in managing tinnitus symptoms. We will explore the impact of factors such as diet, exercise, stress management, and sleep hygiene on tinnitus, and provide practical tips to help you make these beneficial changes in your daily routine. Acupuncture and pressure point therapy have long been used for various health conditions, including tinnitus. We will discuss how these alternative therapies can potentially provide relief by targeting specific points on the body, and share the experiences of individuals who have found success with these approaches. Tinnitus relief is possible with the help of natural remedies that have been tried and tested. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can minimize the impact of tinnitus and enjoy a higher quality of life. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so it's important to find what works best for you. Stay positive, and don't give up on finding relief.